So here we've done our cladding, we've stuck it to the wall. It's a lot of weight by the time we get our mud in there as well. So just to be safe, I just want to do a few spots on every other slab where I'm just going to drill through with a drill bit and then stick a wall plug and screw in. So just that extra support, because it is a lot of weight and I'd hate for it to fall down. Plug in. Okay, don't push it all the way through. Okay, and then we get the screw. Stainless steel screw. Beautiful. And that's that. And then so we've done this one here, we'll leave this one here. The neighbours aren't going to like us today. Okay, so push it through. Go on, in you go. There you go. Okay, and then we'll do one down here. Find a place. Push it in. Okay. There, pushed in. And then it mushrooms out at the end. And then with a soft brush, we just clean that excess away. So with a brush, we just brush all that dust off so the mud sticks in there better.